Weather Service. For the following counties in Maryland and the Arundel, Calvert, Charles, and Prince George's, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for South Central and Arundel County in central Maryland, Northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland, Prince George's County in central Maryland, Northeastern Charles County in southern Maryland, until 5 p.m. At 11:19 a.m., flooding was reported in numerous locations throughout the region, caused by 4 to 7 inches of rain falling earlier today. Rain has ended, but the flooding will continue into the afternoon hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Waldorf, Bowie, Clinton, Fort Washington, Fort Hunt, Forestville, Largo, Coral Hills, La Plata, Mayo, Shadyside, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, National Harbor, Prince Frederick, Upper Marlboro, Breezy Point, FedEx Field, Road River, and Andrews Air Force Base. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.